Dylan, show Mama your new tennis shoes.
Woo.
Look at your new tennis shoes. Don't tell Daddy I bought these, okay? Dude, look at the new tennis shoes.
I don't want to do this.
What's the matter? You look so handsome in your tennis shoes.
White legs.
Yeah, you do.
With his white legs.
What's the matter?
Just like my daddy.
What's the matter? What's the matter? I like your tennis shoes, man.
Woo.
Woo!
Woo. Go. Shh. Flash. Flash.
Say bye, Daddy. Say, Mama making sure I look nice and sexy.
Look. Flash. Flash.
Say bye, Daddy. How do I stop it? Just because he's an athlete doesn't mean he doesn't have to learn how to. Doesn't mean he doesn't have to learn how to dance.
No more.
Let me see him, Mama. Whoa! Don't be dropping my baby,
Okay.
Dylan.
Okay, let's sit down. Oh. Okay, that's it.
So what made you get out of bed today? Oh, he's fine now.
That's enough. Woo.
He's tired. He's ready to take a
Yeah,
bath,
I can tell.
and he's ready to go home and go to sleep. He's gonna sleep good for Mama tonight. Did you? Hey, baby, he gonna laugh for me? Will you laugh for Mama? You laugh for Mama. You just gonna hang out there now? You were laughing. You were laughing real good today, bubbies. You were laughing real good today. Laugh for Mama. Laugh for Mama. Laugh for Mama. Oh yeah, you think so? Bubbies, bubbies, na 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 na, nee 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 nee. Ooh, ooh. What's my bubby doing? What are my bubbies doing? What are my bubbies doing? Huh? What's he doing? What's he doing at my boobies? At my boobies? Eat at my boobies, eat at my boobies, eat at my boobies. Do 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 do. Brrr. I just want someone to play with me, huh? Mama's got to go do dishes. Okay? We'll be right back. So this is Dylan when he hangs out in his big boy chair. This is what he does. He just hangs out and looks around. Come, Bubby. Did we just hang out with Mama? We just hang out, don't we? Did we just hang out all by ourselves? Are you going to talk today? Are we going to chit-chat? Are we going to talk to the camera? bad mood now? Hmm? Are we in a bad mood now? Look at that fat belly. Fat belly, fat belly. Dylan's got a fat belly. His poor socks don't fit him. Mama's always fixing those socks because they don't fit. Say, Daddy, I need some new clothes. Mine don't fit me. Say, please, Daddy. Please, can I have some new clothes? Please. Please. Ooh. Ooh. A day in the life of a 2-month-old. Sit down in my chair, eat, and sleep. That's all I do. See? That's all he does. He just confirmed it. Oh yeah? What do you think about that? Hmm? Then what did she tell you? Huh? What did she tell you after that? Nuh-uh, really? 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 We having a conversation with the video camera? It's just about time to take a bath, isn't it? Yep, sure is.